Hi, I'm Bill Brochtrup, and I play Daniel and Daniel's husband. The play is about a gay couple, a long-time gay couple, and one of the guys believes in marriage, and one of them doesn't. And that's a problem. You know, when I read the play, I think what I was first struck by was the truth of these characters, the truth of this relationship. These are guys who love each other very much, who've been in a long-term relationship. And it just read very true to me. The arguments are passionate and funny and just true, and I really related to that. Also, there's a role of my mother, who that relationship reads very true also. It is a mother-son relationship that is not perfect, that is not easy in any way, but very true and full of love and full of humor and full of life, but difficult. I'm thrilled to be back at the Fountain Theater. You know, Tim Cummings and I did the Normal Heart together a couple of years ago. We had a great time. It is very easy to fall in love with Tim. He's a great actor. He's passionate. He's funny. He's intense. He's volatile. He can go like this, and he just goes wherever you go. And I'm very proud to be working with Tim again. I'm very happy that the Fountain has brought the two of us back together for another go. There's no one I'd rather work with.